Assalamu alaikum student. Today our topic is unit number 4 decimals and percentages exercise number 4.7. Write the percentage as fraction value. 63%. When we remove this percent, the value will be write 63 divided by 100. Dividing by 100 comes at the place of percentage. 93%. We remove percentage and divide 100. 31%. We remove percent and divide 100. 17%. We remove percent and divide 100. 18%. We will remove percent and draw value 100. 76%. Remove this percentage and write 100 in divider. Denominator. 27%. We will remove this percent sign and write divider 100. 40%. We will remove this percent and write 100 as denominator. Write the fraction as percentage. 70/50. First of all, the denominator we will change into 100. Now, if we multiply 2 with 50, the answer will be 100. Therefore, we multiply 2 in numerator and denominator. Answer becomes 34 dividing by 100. 17 2s are 34, 15 2s are 100. Now we will remove this 100 as percentage. 16/25. When we multiply 25 with 4, denominator will be 100. Therefore, we multiply denominator and numerator with 4. The value will be 64%. 7/10. When we multiply 7 with 10 in numerator and denominator, the denominator becomes 100. When we remove this 100, the percentage sign comes. 3/20. When we multiply 20 with 5, therefore 3 5s are 15, 25s are 100. We will remove this 100 as the place of percentage sign. 9/10. Now we will multiply 10 in numerator and denominator. Denominator becomes 100. Now 9 10s are 90. We will remove this 100 as percentage sign. 1/4. When we multiply 4 with 25, the denominator comes 100. Therefore 25 ones are 25, 4 25s are 100. Now we will remove this 100 with percentage sign. 3/5. 3/5. Now denominator is 5. If we will remove, if we will change this 5 into 100, we will multiply with 20. Therefore, we will multiply 20 in numerator and denominator. 3 20s are 60, 5 20s are 100. Now we will change this 100 as percentage sign. 3/4. When we multiply 3 with 25, 4 with 25, denominator will be 100. Therefore, we will multiply 24 in numerator and denominator. Now the answer will be 100. 25 with 75. Now we will change this 100 as percentage sign. Write the decimal as percentage. If we draw 1 at the place of point and draw two zeros, because after point there are two values. We draw 1 at the place of point and draw 2 zeros because there are two values after that point. Therefore, we write 17/100. Now we will change 100 as percentage sign. 0.23. We draw 1 at the place of point and draw 2 zeros because there are two values after point. Therefore, 100 will change as percentage sign. 0.51. Draw 1 at the place of point and draw 2 zeros because there are two values after point. Now we will change 100 as percentage sign. 0.19. We draw 1 at the place of point, draw 2 zeros because there are two values. Now denominator 100 change as percentage. Calculate the following 20% of 80, 20%. When we change this percent into 100, it will multiply with 80. Now multiply with 80, the answer comes 60. 40% of 85, now we will change this percent as denominator 100 multiply 85. Now 10 ones are 10 tens are 100 and 10 fours are 40. Now 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. When we multiply this 17 with 2, answer will be 34. 50% of 40. Now we change this percent as denominator 100 multiply this 40. Now 10 tens are 100 and 10 fives are 50. Now 5 fours are 20 and denominator 1, which is not need to write.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the video. Thank you very much.